In this video, I will tell you how you can share your screen on Discord, or you can also open Discord on web browser. Then go to direct message, and if you want to call someone, you can do that as well. Simply start voice call, and right here you can see a small screen icon with an arrow. Simply click on that, and right here you can see all the applications which are currently being open. Or you can also go to the entire screen. You can share your entire screen by clicking on share screen. So that's how you can easily share a screen on Discord, or you can also share your screen on voice channel. Simply go to any server and join voice channel like this. I have joined this voice channel, and right here I can see share your screen. Simply click on that and go to entire screen if you want to share your entire screen, and click on share screen. And if you want to stop sharing, click on stop streaming. So that's how you can easily share your screen on Discord. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.